Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to theater lesson number 5. It's week 5, and we are actually going to be having a lesson for 2 weeks. So we're going to be doing Playwriting 101, and it's going to be for this week and next week. So you will have two different assignments. That way you can separate it and it won't be this giant mountain of an assignment. Okay, so we're going to look at theater lesson number 5. The lesson objective is I will be able to write a one-page play. So you'll be able to complete and accomplish that lesson by next week. Okay, so let me tell you what we're doing this week. So, first, playwriting. This week, you will be learning the basics of a play. I will give you an outline that you can follow while creating your play that will star your family. So this play can star your brother or sister, it could star your whole family. You don't even have to be in it. You can just write and direct, or you can jump in and be in it too to join the fun. It's totally up to you guys. But first, what does a play require? So a play requires characters, as many as you want, a conflict. You guys have heard that term conflict in your ELA classes. So a conflict in the story, for example, is what is the problem? Okay, so when you hear conflict, whether it's in theater or in ELA, they are asking you what is the problem. Okay, conflict is a problem. So what's the problem in the skit? A solution. A solution is the answer to that problem. How does that problem get solved? Who solved it? Okay. And a theme. A theme, again, is another term that you would hear in ELA. A theme is also a central idea, it's also a main idea. Okay. So, what is the theme of the skit? What is the main idea? So, locking down on creativity. Think of plays as movies, okay? Except you would normally perform them on a stage. So, some of the most famous plays were written while under quarantine. So, William Shakespeare supposedly wrote King Lear and Macbeth under quarantine. So, Shakespeare, like I told you guys, that's something that we're going to learn towards the end of the year, which is fastly and quickly approaching. We are going to be ending the year learning about some Shakespeare. So I will choose the play Macbeth because it's kind of a horror story. You know, it includes witches, ghosts, and all that stuff. So it's one of the few plays that most people who are not Shakespeare fans will look at because it's like a scary movie, basically, but on stage. All right, so even if you're under quarantine, you're not doing anything, you're bored in the house and you're in the house bored type of thing, you can go ahead and be creative. And this week and next week, you'll get that chance to do it. Okay, so your assignment. Put that lovely picture there and you guys can't even see it. All right, here you go. So, your assignment is you will be exploring for the next 2 weeks playwriting. So, this weekend, we are only going to do an outline, okay? So, I will place that outline in a Google Doc for you right now, and you'll be able to open it up. You can do this assignment. You can take the whole week to do the assignment. You can do it today. You can turn it in. Just make sure you're turning in those assignments, okay? So, it's very important that you're getting in those assignments, all right? So, place the assignment. You'll be looking for a Google Doc, and I'll attach it with this video and with our daily question this week. Okay. So, what are you going to turn in this week? This week, you're only going to turn in the outline. Am I going to turn in a one-page paper? No. Am I going to turn in a one-page play? No. You are going to turn in the outline. Okay. Only the outline. Let's say that one more time. Only the outline, okay? So remember, your family gets to start in it next week. So next week, you'll actually be making the actual dialogue and all that stuff. And I'll show you examples next week. And you'll also get a chance to have your family try it out and start in it. All right. So, but this week's only the outline, okay? And I even give you the outline, and all you do is fill out the questions. That's it, that easy, okay? So this week you're only turning in the outline, okay? All right, so just a reminder, tomorrow if you need further explanation of what we're doing or you need help, I'll be on a Google Meet tomorrow at 8:30. It's going to end at 9 o'clock. So it's only a 30-minute meet. So if you have questions about the assignment or you need help with it, I will send the link via email to you guys, and you can pop on in and ask questions or receive help from me. Okay? And don't forget to look for the outline in the Google Doc. I will attach it. All right, guys. So I hope you guys had a good weekend. Your daily question is going to be, how was your weekend? And I hope it was good. All right, remember, we only have 8 weeks left of school, so hang in there, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.